In the depths of the ocean, hidden in remote rainforests, or even in plain sight, nature has evolved some of the most bizarre and extraordinary creatures on Earth. One such animal is the axolotl, a Mexican salamander that never undergoes metamorphosis, unlike most amphibians. Its external gills, permanently youthful appearance, and ability to regenerate entire limbs make it look more like a creature from fantasy than reality. Despite its almost mythical appearance, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild, making it a rare sight for even the most dedicated wildlife enthusiasts. From the murky waters of lakes, we turn to the isolated forests of Madagascar to meet the ii. This lemur species has a peculiar method of hunting for food that is straight out of a horror movie. With its elongated middle finger, the ii taps on trees to locate grubs beneath the bark. Once it detects movement, it gnaws into the wood with rodent-like teeth and uses its eerie finger to scoop out its prey. Its appearance, big eyes, bat-like ears, and long claws, has earned it a reputation as a bad omen among local populations, though it's entirely harmless. Deep in the ocean, an entirely different world of bizarre creatures exists, and none exemplifies this better than the blobfish. Found in the deep waters off the coast of Australia and New Zealand, the blobfish looks more like a melted candle than a fish due to its gelatinous body. Its unappealing, saggy appearance is a result of its low-density flesh, which allows it to float just above the seafloor without expending much energy. Although it's often dubbed the world's ugliest animal, its bizarre form is perfectly adapted to its deep-sea environment. Next on our list is a creature that defies what most people think of when they imagine a lizard: the Thorny Devil. Native to the arid regions of Australia, this small lizard is covered in sharp, thorn-like spikes that serve as protection against predators. What's even more remarkable is its ability to collect water through its skin. When dew forms or rain falls, the water runs along its body and is channeled to its mouth through grooves between its scales. It's a master of desert survival, despite its fearsome appearance. Moving from the dry desert to the depths of South America's rainforests, the Potoo Bird is a master of disguise. With its mottled brown feathers, it blends seamlessly into tree bark during the day, becoming nearly invisible. At night, however, this nocturnal bird comes alive with large, haunting eyes that help it spot insects in the dark. Its expression, which often appears startled or wide-eyed, combined with its extraordinary camouflage, makes it one of the most unusual birds in the animal kingdom. In the mountains of China, there's a primate that's as unusual as it is rare: the snub-nosed monkey. With its bright blue face, short, upturned nose, and thick fur, this monkey seems almost too bizarre to be real. It's perfectly adapted to the cold, mountainous regions where it lives, and its unusual nose is believed to help prevent frostbite. Social by nature, snub-nosed monkeys live in large groups and have complex social structures. Despite their striking appearance, these monkeys are highly endangered, threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Traveling back to the ocean, the mantis shrimp is a creature you wouldn't want to underestimate. Its powerful club-like appendages strike with the speed of a bullet, generating enough force to break glass aquariums. What's even more mind-blowing is its eyesight. The mantis shrimp has the most complex visual system in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing polarized light and more colors than the human eye. Its ability to detect ultraviolet light and even cancerous cells has made it a subject of extensive scientific study. From the ocean's depths, we head to the skies where the Shoebill Stork resides. This massive bird, native to Africa, looks prehistoric with its huge shoe-shaped bill and stoic demeanor. Its slow, deliberate movements and almost mechanical hunting style have earned it a reputation as one of the most dinosaur-like birds alive today. Despite its intimidating appearance, the shoebill is a patient and calculated hunter, waiting motionless for long periods before striking at fish with precision. One of the smallest but most extraordinary creatures on this list is the tardigrade, often called the water bear. These microscopic creatures are virtually indestructible, surviving extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Tardigrades can enter a state of suspended animation, drying out completely and remaining in that state for years, only to be revived when water becomes available. Their resilience is unmatched in the animal kingdom, making them one of the most fascinating organisms on the planet. Finally, we end with the Saiga antelope, an odd-looking herbivore found in the Eurasian steppes. Its most distinctive feature is its oversized bulbous nose, which acts as a natural filter for dust during the dry seasons and helps warm the air during the cold winters. While its appearance might seem comical, the saiga is critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are underway to save this unusual species, but it remains one of the rarest sights in the wild.